Welcome. Today, let's quickly discover how to sort your files by modified date on Dropbox using the updated app interface. Whether you're organizing recent work documents or simply want to find the latest changes, sorting by modified date helps keep everything easy to access. First, open your Dropbox app on your mobile device. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Files option. This will bring you to the main section where all your stored files and folders live. Next, at the top left corner of this window, you'll see a small icon resembling 3 horizontal lines or a filter icon. This is the Sort icon. Tap on it to see your sorting options. Among the available choices, find and tap on Modified. Selecting this will rearrange your files and folders so that the most recently changed items appear at the top. This makes it super convenient to spot updates or continue working where you left off without having to scroll endlessly. Now you can browse through your files, knowing they are sorted by when they were last modified, helping you work efficiently and keep track of your latest activity. Remember, you can always switch back to other sorting preferences like name or size by repeating these steps and selecting a different option. This flexibility lets you customize your file view depending on your needs. That's it. Sorting files by modified date on Dropbox is straightforward and saves time by highlighting the freshest content right away. Give it a try and see how much easier managing your documents can become. Thanks for watching.